Hey, beautiful, sexy, fruity cutie with the booty. What's up? I had an analogy, a metaphor that I wanted to share with you guys. Somebody the other day posted a video and it said, think about the sunset and the stars and the moon and the sky. You can never get a photo that really does it justice. You know, you take a photo of the sun, the moon, the sky, this beautiful sky. You can't really see on camera how beautiful it is. Did you ever experience that? Well, I have, and it's right now in this moment. I'm looking through my phone. It cannot pick up exactly what it looks like. It doesn't look like this. It looks way more beautiful. Even though I have the iPhone 15, I have the latest technology, we still cannot get an exact, perfect photo of exactly what it looks like an image or even a video. And so what I need you to understand is that's exactly what's going on with you. All the photos you ever take, ever, will never, ever show exactly how beautiful you are. It will never capture your soul, your spirit, and your true beauty. So next time you see a bad photo of yourself, please know that that's not really what you look like. You're way more beautiful than that. You are way more incredibly gorgeous than what you see on that photo. I love you, boo. Please do me a favor. And please consider loving yourself enough to treat your body with love and respect. And please consider going vegan today. I love you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.